Facebook Meta Marketing. This is an ad mastery course so you can master Facebook ads. My name is Scott White, and I'll be the one taking you through every little detail of this course. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. All right, let's get going. We're going to go over how to set up ads. We're going to go up strategy for different types of businesses. We're going to break everything down. So just follow along. If you have questions, if you want to skip ahead, you can do that. We're going to first dive into what you need to get started. Then we're going to go into all the how-to, why use this ad strategy over that ad strategy, how to market e-commerce, how to market a brick-and-mortar store, how to do service-based ads, how to do all types of different ads, promo ads, how to get more leads, all those little details in this Facebook ad mastery course. So follow along. Obviously, Facebook does change their platform from time to time, so some things might look different. If you're in Facebook and you're watching this, they can update on a daily basis or weekly or monthly or yearly, just like Google and all these other platforms. They make adjustments, but the fundamentals are the fundamentals. If you just follow and go through it, let's break down first on how to get started with setting up Facebook ads for your business or for your agency to market and attract customers and run ads for them. All right, let's get to it, and we're going to just dive into it right away. Do you need help with your Facebook ads or Google ads or any ads for that matter? Do you want to increase conversions? You want to get more customers? Do you want to sell more products? We can help you. We have different services. We have a course you can purchase. We have an audit you can do. We will review your entire account. If it's Google, if it's PPC, if it's TikTok, if it's Facebook, we will audit everything. If you're not currently happy with the person you're working for, we will set up a whole new account. If you're not sure how to run ads and you need an account set up with the pixels, all those things on any of the platforms or all of the platforms, we will make sure everything's set up correctly, all the conversions are tracking properly, or we'll double check and make sure your current setup is working, or we'll consult you and teach you how to do it. All that stuff's down below. If you want our help, just pick one of the services that you want, fill out the form, enter your information, and we'll get started to improve your conversions, help you make more sales, and build your brand more effectively using Facebook, Google, TikTok, Snap, doesn't matter, whatever you choose, or all of the above. We will set it up, or even set up retargeting ads, so at least when people come to your website, they're getting a retargeting ad to push them to make a sale, a conversion also. So if you need help with Facebook, Google, all that stuff from an advertising standpoint, again, services are below and we'll be happy to help you. Links are there and you can sign up. It's that simple.